Good day everyone! Now, we will be discussing the division of polynomials, but before that, we have to take the following reminders. Just divide the numerical coefficient, and of course, we have to follow the rule of signs. When we say follow the rule of sign, if we have negative involved, negative 2 or no negative involved, our sign is positive. And if we have 1 negative involved, dividend man yan or divisor, negative ang answer. When you say numerical coefficient, ito yun, mga numerical coefficient, 6, 10, yan. O mga common factor. So, alam na natin yan. Then, perform subtraction on the exponent of the same variable. Subtraction kasi we are dividing the same variable. Parang we are looking for the common factor. Ayan. Kung variable siya, kung alin yung lowest exponent, the same variable like this one, we have to subtract the exponent. Ano lang yan. But then, kapag may isang positive, may isang negative involved dun sa exponent, then, we are going to follow the rule of sign, change first the sign of the subtrahend, and then, we will proceed addition depending on the sign. Later, we will discuss it. And another one is subtract the smaller exponent from the bigger exponent. Okay, so meaning to say, wherever the higher exponent is located, whether it is on the numerator or denominator, basta the concept is subtract the smaller exponent from the bigger exponent. Ayan, kung nasa numerator yung bigger exponent, doon mo dadalhin yung smaller exponent. Kung nasa denominator, like this one, yan yung dadalahin. Okay? Ano lang yan? Para lang tayong we are looking for the common factor. And of course, the answer is simplified, the same as the multiplication if there is no more negative or zero exponent. Yan. Dapat walang negative or wala ng zero exponent. So, we already discussed that if the exponent is 0, it is always equal to 1. Ay, review na lang. Then, pag negative ang exponent, to make it positive, reciprocate. Ayan yun. Ito yung reciprocal niya. If a raised to negative m, then that is 1 over a raised to m, positive na yung exponent, or 1 over m raised, sorry, hindi to a, hindi to m. Ito ay a. Yan. Y, 1 over a raised to m. Positive na siya. Or kung ganito naman yung style niya, so ito yung kanyang reciprocate. Positive na. Kung fraction siya, reciprocate. Okay, kung 1 over m, 1 over a raised to negative m, reciprocate, positive na yung m, o yung exponent. Okay? So, yun lang yun. Let us now proceed. So, perform the indicated operation. So, in this case, so ito ay, so, since bigger exponent ay yung 5, so therefore, ang gawin muna kayo para hindi kayo malito. So, nasa taas o nasa numerator, so we have to subtract a smaller exponent from the bigger exponent. Kaya yon, mas maliit yung 3 sa 5, kaya 5 minus 3. So, the concept parang walang natira sa numerator, sa denominator. So, actually, may 1. So, that is, so to finalize, the answer is a squared. So, the answer is a squared. So, yon. No need to write na the denominator 1. So, it does not require to show your solution, this kind of solution. I know you can do it mentally. So, sa division of polynomials, like, ito lang ay parang yung common factor. So, kasi if there is a common factor on the numerator and denominator, it is considered 1. So, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yung a raised to 5 is the same as with a times a times a, 5a, times a, divided by a cube. Yan. So, a cube. So, tatlong a times a. Yan. Okay. So, we all know that ito common factor na yung a cube. Kasi yung lower exponent. So, it means, if you divide this one, so a cube, saka a, yan. So, kaya ang natira ay, Diba ito yung, so 1 ito, and then this is 1. So therefore, so 1, ayan, times a, so that is a squared. Yun, diba? So may natira 1 sa denominator. So, ito na yun. Okay. Yan yon. Or, kung gusto niyo naman, para mas ma-visualize natin yung common factor, di ba yung a raised to 5 over a cube. Yan. Ang sabi ko kanina, kung alin yung may lower exponent, siya yung common factor. So, meaning to say, a cube times a squared divided by a cube. Yan. So, itong part na to, if you divide them, so 1 yan. So, natira na lang is a squared over 1. So, that is a squared. Okay. So, ganyan na, that is the concept of division of polynomial. So, we are just looking for the common factor. This is variable yan. Ano yung lower exponent? Variable with lower exponent, that is their common factor. Okay? Like what I have shown you a while ago. Yan yun. Okay? So, parang ganyan lang din yan. Ganyan lang din yan. Okay. So, yun. Now, let us proceed. So, number 2. Number 2. Okay. So, the same. Ako kasi para hindi na walang maiwan. Para walang mabakante. Baka mamaya. Pag walang natira sa numerator, ang thinking ninyo, wala na. So, yon. So, in this case, m raised to 4 over m raised to 10. So, I have to subtract 4 from 10. Kaya, m raised to 10 minus 4. Ayong natira sa numerator, so wala. Hindi yun wala, yun ay 1. Kaya naglagay na ako ng horizontal bar. Then, equals, so 1 over m raised to 10 minus 4, that is m raised to 6. Yan. So, the answer is 1 over m raised to 6. Kaya kung ginagawa yung ganun, ginugito kasi common concept, pag ganyan yung case, ang sagot nyo lagi is m raised to 6. Yan. Kaya, it's safe to put a horizontal bar para hindi mo makalimutan na meron pang natirang 1. Kagaya ng pinata ko kanina, nag-divide lang tayo. So, may natirang 1. Kasi ibig sabihin, common factor ng m raised to 10 at m raised to 4 yung m raised to 4. Parang ganito lang yan. Pwede kong gawin ganito. Yan. So, ito ay considered ng 1. And then, this is m raised to 6. So, ganun lang din yan. Okay? Ganun yan. So, that's why the answer is 1 over m raised to 6. Okay. So, yun ha. So, yun. Next. Dito naman. Ito yung sinasabi kanina. Nagkataon lang kanina na ang mga numerical coefficients is 1. So, horizontal bar. Yan ha. Bukatin magandang angulo. Yan. Horizontal bar agad. So, rule of sign, dalawang negative. So, therefore, positive na siya. Sa 6 and 10, common factor, ang common factor nila is 2. That's why yung 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Yun. So, positive na. Kasi nga dalawang negative. Then, sa x cube at x, so, nasa numerator ang mataas na exponent. So, x cube. So, ang exponent na ito ay 1. So, alam nyo na kung pag walang exponent, nakalagay. It doesn't mean walang exponent. There's no such number or a variable that contains no exponent. Okay? It is understood in a 1. So, kaya ito maging square. Ayun, clear tayo dun ha. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then, sa y naman, mas mataas yung nasa denominator. So, y, and then 9 minus 5, that is 4. Okay? So, yun. So, the answer is 3x squared over 5y raised to 4. Ayan ha. Kasi pwede nyo naman gawin ganito. Ito nyo ha. Ito. Again, positive ang sagot kasi dalawang negative. So, ito ay 3 lang. Ito is 5. Dito sa x cube at saka sa x, ito ay 1 ha. And then ito ay x squared. Common factor naman ng y raised to 5 at y raised to 9, yung y raised to 5 kasi yung mas maliit na exponent. So, 9 minus 5, that is 4. And then, this is 1. So, okay na. Wala nang common factor. So, 3 times x squared times 1, 3x squared. And then, 5 times 1 times y raised to 4, 5y raised to 4. Okay. So, yun. Yun lang siya. Simple lang naman division. So, okay. I think let us proceed. Number 4. Ginawa ko dito maraming possibilities para so everything that the kinds of problem will be encountered already. So you are already familiar. Now, let's continue this. So 8 and negative 4. Isa lang yung negative. So expected ang sagot natin is negative. So lagyan ko na agad ng horizontal bar. So now 8 and 4. So that is 2. Nasa numerator yung 2 kasi exactly divisible by 4 yung 8. Yes, tama. 8 divided by 4 2. So okay, kung gusto niyo lagyan dito ng 1, walang problema. Then p raised to 7 saka yung p. So again, mas mataas yung numerator. So p then minus 7 minus 1. Yan. Bad 1. Sorry, 6. Ayan. 6. Sa Q naman, cube and 2, mas mataas pa rin yung nasa numerator. So, ito ay Q. So, 3 minus 2, that is 1. So, hindi ko na isusulat yung 1. Sige, isulat ko pa rin. Mamaya, hindi na. Ayun. And then, yung R, so, wala naman siya common dito sa dynamic. Wala siyang sa partner. So, I have to rewrite R. Ayan. Okay, now to simplify this, nag-aalarm na. To simplify this, yun, we have now to remove the denominator 1. So, negative 2 p raised to 6 q r. Okay, so yun yung ating final answer. Okay? So, yan. Yun lang yan, ganyan lang kasimple. So, naging whole number siya. So, ibig sabihin lang, whole number siya, yung numerator is exactly divisible by 4pq square. So, in other words, kapag ganyan yung konsepto, naging siyang ganyan, meaning to say, itong 4pq square is a factor, common factor ng, may common factor ang numerator and denominator. Yan. So, exactly divisible. Okay. So, yun lang yun. Kaya naging whole number siya. Whole number yan, oh. Kasi ang denominator is 1. Diba? Okay. Next is, ayan. Okay, let us continue this. Number 5. Still, we have 1 negative. So, expected that our answer is negative. Gawa ng horizontal bar. And then, 20 and 25. Common factor in 20 and 25 is 5. So, yung 20 is now 4. Then, yung 25 is 5. Then, sa H naman, ayan, negative 3 at saka 1. So, kung saan mas malaki, doon dadalahin. So, between negative 3 and exponent 1, so, obviously, the higher, 1 is higher than negative 3. So, nasa denominator yung mas malaki. Anyway, you can do it mentally, but for the sake of showing the step-by-step process of solution, I have to show you how we will do it. So, 1, saan galing 1 dito yung exponent na 1? Minus negative 3. Ayan. And then, sa K naman, may 0, may 4. So, mas mataas yung nasa denominator. So, still, I have to show you 4 minus 0. Okay. Sige, dito ko na isulat. May space pa dito. Equals. Yon. So, negative. Si 4 all over. So, 5. Then, 1 minus negative 3. Sige, pakita pa rin natin. So, diba, by rule of sign, we have to change the sign of negative 3. That's why, maging siyang positive 3. Diba? And then, yung K, 4 minus 0, that is K raised to 4. And to simplify our answer, so negative 4 all over 5, 1 plus 3, that is H raised to 4. Yun, 1 plus 3. And then, K raised to 4. So this is the answer. Negative 4 over 5h raised to 4, k raised to 4. Ayan. So, napansin nyo kapag mayroong ganito yung involved, yun, magiging positive siya. 1 minus negative 3. So, since minus negative, di ba? If you are looking the rule sign ito, change the sign. 1, magiging siyang 1 plus 3. Yun. By just doing it mentally, you can perform it mentally. Again, you don't need to show this kind of solution. So, you can write only, 1 minus negative 3 is 1 plus 3. So, 4. So, ganun lang yun. Okay? So, yun, ha? Yun lang yun. 1 minus negative 3. Okay, so yun. Dahil ang minus, sinusubtract yung mas maliit na exponent. Smaller exponent from the bigger exponent. Kaya ganyan yung nangyari. Okay? Now, next. Number 6. So, okay, again, may isang negative. So, again, expected that the answer is negative. Maglalagay na horizontal bar para wala akong makalimutan. 3 and 6. So, common factor ng 3 and 6 is 3. Sa akin, 3 maging 1. Yung 6, 2. Okay, so, 1. And then, ito ay 2. Then, b raised to 4. So, negative 2. Okay, may ganito na naman. Similar kayo na dito. So, mas malaki yung 4. So, i-manage ko yung negative 2 sa 4. So, it is similar to doon sa kanina. So, 4 minus negative 2. Ayan, pinakita ko lang ha. Pero later, hindi na. Then, sa C naman, mas mataas yung exponent 7 na nasa denominator. Kaya sa denominator, dadalahin. Okay. So, 7 minus negative 1. Kaya dito, mas mataas yung nasa numerator. Kaya nasa numerator yung B. Mas mataas yung nasa denominator. Kaya mas nasa denominator yung C. Okay? Later, I will show you na pwede rin gawin yung multiplication dyan. Okay, so simplify. So, itong 1 times b. So, okay na yan. So, negative 4 minus negative 2. Okay lang, gawin ko ng b raised to 6 ha. Kasi 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, tayo din ha. Then, to 7 minus negative 1, you have to change. So, 7 plus 1, kaya siya magiging 8. So, therefore, 2c raised to 8. Okay? So, therefore, the answer is negative b raised to 6 all over 2c raised to 8. Okay? So, yan yun. Ngayon, balikan natin dito. Pwede natin siyang, tanggalin nyo muna yung negative. Okay? Pwede naman. Paano siya gagawin? Saan ko ba dito? Dito. So dito, papakita ko lang ha. Pwede natin siyang i-rewrite in this way. 3 B. Positive siya eh. Itong negative to na exponent ng B, ilagay ko na sa taas. I-reciprocate ko na para maging positive. B square na siya. So yun diba? Then yung negative na C, ito, ilagay ko muna. Negative 6. Then yung C raised to 7, dito siya. Yung negative 1, dalhin ko na sa baba. I-reciprocate ko na. So, positive na siya. Okay? So, ang nangyari yan, mag-multiply na tayo. 3. Ito, negative pa rin tayo ha. So, negative. B raised to 4. Ito, makakancel natin. Cancel mo natin to para, dire-diretso na tayo. Okay. 1 times B raised to 4 times B squared, that is B raised to 6. Diba? And then, ito ay 2. C raised to 7 times C, that is C raised to 8. See? Pareho lang din sila. As long as naaalam i-manipulate. So, ganun din siya. Okay? Yan. Hinapansin ninyo, naging multiplication na siya. Pero anyway, any method or any technique, as long as the answer is the same, wala tayong problema dun. Okay. Now, let's proceed. Number 7, example. Yung mga possibilities ang pinapakita ko sa inyo dito, mga pwedeng way ng pagbibigay ng problem. So, as usual, isa lang yung negative, so our answer is negative. Lagay ng horizontal bar, and then 18 at saka 6, so that is 3. Okay? Common factor nila ay 6, kaya itong 6, 1, itong 18 is 3. Sige, ilagay ko na yung 1 din Then 8, yun, 8 minus negative 4. So, nasa numerator siya. So, 8 minus negative 4 is 12. Diba? 12, ba? Okay. Then, b raised to negative 2. b raised to negative 5, mas malaki yung negative 2. So, ima-minus ko itong negative 5. So, sige, pakita ko itong part na to. So, negative 2, ano sila? Negative 2 minus negative 5. Dahil sila ay isang sign nila. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang natira lang sa ibaba is 1. So, whole number natin magiging sagot. Equals negative 3 a raised to 12. And then, itong negative 2, yung c raised to negative 2 minus negative 5. Sige, still, pakita pa rin natin. Negative 2. So, change the sign of negative 5. It is now 5. Positive. And, to simplify, so we have negative 3a raised to 12. Negative 2 plus 5, we all know that is 3. Okay. So, yun. Napasin nyo ha? Iminaynos. Negative 2 minus negative 5, change the sign. Negative 2 plus 5. Since, upon changing the sign, dalawa pa rin yung sign, so we have to perform subtraction. Kaya 5 minus 2, that is 3. And positive, kasi yung 5 is positive, o yung 5 is higher than 2, their absolute value. Kaya this is our final answer. Ayun. Okay? So, ganun lang ha. So, nagbigay na ako ng kung dalawa ay parehas negative. Okay. Number 8. Number 8. Okay. So, x equals. Ayun. Parang dito equal sign Parang hindi equal sign na lang. Ayan. Equals. Okay. So, lagyan na ako ng horizontal bar. And then, so, k raised to 4 over k raised to 7. Mas malaki agad yung nasa numerator. So, that is k. Sorry. Nasa denominator pa naman siya. Wala to. Sulat ko rin yung 5. Ba't ganun? K. So, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Diba? And then, yung x raised to 9 naman, so, the same ang variable. Magiging 0 yan. Kasi may ilagay yan. So, pwede mo ilagay sa numerator yung 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So, it is considered ng 1. So, pwede kasi na, ito ay 1 na. Kaya to finalize, the answer is, 1 over 5k cube. Yun. Medyo ano yung sulat ko. So, the answer is 1 over 5k cube. Yun 1 yun ha. 1. Ano lang kasi. Ba't nga ba nang... Okay. So, pwede siyang gitong gawin nyo. Pwede ito. Ganito. Common factor. So, ito yung 1. Common factor. Kanina sinasabi ko, diba? Kung alin yung lower exponent, siya yung common factor. So, yung greatest common factor sa ito 1, then ito ay k cube. Dito naman, 1, and then 1. Kasi pareho sila Diba? Kaya nga doon sa yung konsepto ng zero exponent ay division of the same number. The number is being divided by itself. Kaya 1. Pero exemption doon yung 0. Okay? So, yun. So, the answer is 1 over 5k cube. Parang pangit. Masyadong ano. So, 1 over, ba't nga 5k cube. Yan, 1. Okay. Wait lang Ayan. So, let us continue this. Number 9 example. Number 9. Yan. So, dalawang negative. So, positive. Guhit na agad ako ng horizontal bar here. So, 12 and 24. So, nandito yung 2. Sa taas is 1. And then, x cube. X raised to 6. Nandito yung x cube. Bakit x cube? Kasi 6 minus 3 is x raised to 6. x cube. And then y square at saka 7. So that is y raised to 5. Ayan. So 1 lang natira sa taas. 1 lang. So pag nangyari walang natira sa taas, it is understood na 1 yun. Hindi pwedeng walang numerator. Okay? And to finalize the answer, that is 1 over 2x cubed y raised to 5. Ayan. 1 ito 1. Now, pwede naman gawin yung ganito lang din. O, ganon. Pwede lang din yan. Nakataon lamang na tayo ay ito. 1. Nakataon lang na variable yan. Saka ito ay x cube. Yan. And pwede ito yung 1. Then this one is y raised to 5. O yun. Pwedeng ganyan. Kasi pag hindi to ang ginawa nyo, chances are mawalan kayo ng numerator. Maging whole number yung sagot nyo. Sure yan. Sure yan. Laging ganyan common error. Yan. Kapag ganito, pwede. O, wala. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1. O, 2 times x cubed times y raised to 5. 2x cubed y raised to 5. Diba? O, yun na. Anyway, basta as long as na yun ang the process, walang problema. And last example, I think I already shown the all possibilities. So, dito. So, again, is a negative. So, our answer is negative. Dito naman, pinakita ko naman. Ay, wala na palang space doon. Lahat ng exponent negative. Ayun. So, dalhin nyo lang kung saan ang mas malaki. Dito, mas malaki yung a raised to negative 5. Tandaan nyo, pag negative ba? Oh. So, nasa numerator siya. Pero ito pala muna, baka makalimutan. 4 and 10, common factor nila is 2. Kaya ito ay 2. And then ito is 5. And then, dito sa dalawa, negative 5 minus negative 2, that is, dito ko siya dadalhin. I-square ko na ha. Nag-mental computation ako dito. Okay? Kasi negative 5 minus negative 7 will become negative 5 plus 7. O, negative 5 plus 7, 2. Kasi dalawa yung signs. So, 7 minus 5 is 2 and positive yung kukopya natin. Kaya is a squared. Dito naman, b raised to negative 10, b raised to negative 6, mas malaki ang b raised to negative 6. So, therefore, mental computation ko nito ha, negative 6 minus negative 10 is negative 6 plus 10. And that is equals to 4. Ayan. Okay, so the answer is 2a square, or negative 2a square over 5b raised to 4. Ayun ha. So, yan yung sagot dyan. Ngayon, kung medyo nalilito ka dyan ng ganun mga negative, ito ang gawin nyo, i-rewrite nyo. Ganito ang pag-rewrite. So, gawin yung positive lahat. Yung negative 5, dalhin nyo dito. Yung positive na siya. Itong negative 7, erase to negative 7, nasa numerator na. Reciprocate lang. Then, itong b raised to negative 10, dalhin nyo dito. Sa denominator. Nasa denominator ang b raised to negative 6, dalhin nyo sa numerator. Okay, wala kayong negative nakita, di ba? So, perform subtraction. So, still, 2 ay negative 2 over 5. And then, 7 minus 5 a squared. 10 minus 6 dito sa baba, b raised to 4. Okay, that's it. Di ba? Yun lang naman. Kung saan kayo mas mapapadali. Okay, I think yun na yun. Naibigay ko yung lahat ng mayroon. Basta as long as na the answer is final or simplified already, if there's no negative exponent or no zero exponent. And of course, kung sa numerical part, there's no common factor. In other words, to make it simple, there's no common factor. Common factor pa yan kung, ano yan, sa numerical, meron pa kayong matatanggal or madi-divide na magiging equivalent to 1. Kung sa variable naman, walang nang negative, walang 0. And isa lang yung variable. Isa lang yung variable sa numerator, isa lang yung variable sa denominator na, halimbawa, isa lang yung x na makikita nyo. Kasi pag dalawa pa, ibig sabihin, hindi pa simplified. Okay? Ayun. So, I hope na na-recall ninyo yung concept on how to divide polynomials. Okay, good day.